We have to have people to do the work. A large company coming into us asking us to make the COVID test kits. It wasn't like they walked in and said, how many you can do. They walked in and said, we want 70 million a month.
We have hired 2,900 people in the last 9 weeks. And that's because they're part-time, and they can work any hour of any day of the week. They can come here and work 2 hours at midnight if they want. We have folks from vocational rehab working
Yes.
with us. We have folks from the Babcock Center working with us. The South Carolina Commission for the Blind is working with us. We've got retirees and senior citizens working with us. It's really a heartwarming sea of faces when you walk and see those folks just working hard.